peanut butter chocolate Reese's cup, high protein Ninja Creami ice cream. Today I'm making a Ninja Creami high protein peanut butter chocolate Ninja Creami ice cream. It only has 3 ingredients: the protein powder, which is peanut butter chocolate flavored, Fairlife milk, and a sweetener. I'm using monk fruit, but you can use sugar if you want. You just mix it together in the pint, put the lid on. I always put a label on it because otherwise I forget which pint is which, and then you freeze it for 24 hours. So let's get started. Peanut butter chocolate Reese's cup, high protein Ninja Creami ice cream. Just came from a workout, no makeup, hair's a mess, but I am so excited to dig into this chocolate peanut butter ice cream. Wow, delicious. Might not eat all the Reese's peanut butter cups, but the high protein ice cream is delicious. Just what I needed after my workout.